on your package. It says poggers on it. And sub, please. Sub to my YouTube, please. I need YouTube money / revenue to pay for all these products I'm buying. Poggers. Oh my god. What is this? You guessed it. An iPhone 5C. But it's not your normal 5C. Let me unbox it some more. Look at this. Oh, it's dead. Let me plug it in real quick. I'll be right back when I plug it in and charge it. Oh, it's turning on. Oh my god. Yes. It's whiter than me somehow. I don't know how. Look, it's my hair. Oh my god, I need to do my hair at some point. Hola! Inglés. Minat estados. I'm just gonna hook this up through iTunes. Basically, it's an iPhone 5C on iOS 7. I'll set it up real quick and let you know when I'm done. Look at that. iOS 7.1 to the 16 gigabyte model. It's pretty good condition. Thank you for watching this pretty poggers video, if you ask me. Okay, subscribe please.